Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, Ainfield is here to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, Ainfield is here to make you fly. Here we go.
Yes, guys, the lecture has started and officially started. Okay, so I have planned a few activities that will test the team building spirit, okay, build on your leadership, listening as well. And obviously we will go through the grammar test again, okay? Because grammar is important. And today, whether it's online or guys sitting in front of me, I do not want to hear anybody talking to me for the next 2 hours, okay? Not even amongst yourself. I hear a Hindi word, it's -100 for that day. Okay? Everybody, is that clear?
Yes.
And if anybody online talks in Hindi, it's -100 for you guys. That's team A. So online will be joining team A today. Is that clear? This is fine now?
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough. Very good. I like that. Okay. So what I've done is the game that we played the last time, all the questions were really easy, you all said. I've tried to make it a little more difficult. Okay. So as I said, I've taken questions from the textbooks of standard 8. Okay. That was a lower standard. Now we've gone a little high because those are easy players, right? Okay, I have also planned to play 2 or 3 more activities. Depends on how fast you answer.
Yes.
And how much time you have. So today we'll make it quicker.
Yes.
So everybody can.
Harshad, the video and the audio is gone.
Hello, my testing. It's on, ma'am.
Someone send the link.
It's on, ma'am. Hello.
The new link. Send it to everybody.
Ma'am, you can hear. Hello.
Yes, we can hear Harshad.
What, ma'am?
So the same thing, I'm sending the link to you. It's even for the online guys, okay? Everybody. Send it to the helper. The same rules apply. Please don't go and see the answers beforehand because that just ruins the fun for everybody. Okay? Yeah. Whoever, guys online, the moment you got the link, please come on this page just like the last time. Okay? We will all start together. Everybody starts together.
Can you please say to Sanshia to send Ainfield online class group?
Pardon? Come. Now you're like, yes. I get it. Come. It cannot be seen.
But they can say, this time they can.
Okay. Welcome to the class. The only thing that we've discussed is that.
Sorry.
Good time. So you're like good again? Right? Okay, so the only thing that we've discussed is today we'll be doing a couple of activities that will be on your team building skills, leadership skills, listening, and grammar. Okay? At the end of the day today we will tally all the scores. Okay? And we will decide which team wins today. Final.
Yeah.
Alright? Since you guys are less in number.
No less
No, not. Okay. Fair enough. So since you are equal in number now, all the guys online who will be answering today, they will choose again whether they want the points to go to A, whether they want to
actually we can do that. No.
But then again, it's your negotiating skills. If you can get them to give them marks to you, that's on you. Guys online, whenever you answer, whoever makes a good argument, you give the points to them. It's completely in your hands. Nobody else can. Nobody in mind. Okay, so everybody got the link. Can we start that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Celsius present.
Celsius here.
Ma'am, ask her to send that link to MPhil online class group.
Okay, please send the link. She's doing that. Just give her a minute. Team 2. It doesn't matter actually because the point system will be here. Guys, online, did you all get the link? Can we start? Let us know. We are waiting for yours. Guys, you can press start, okay? Come on this page. Guys, online, please press start and come on this page. Everybody. And then we will do a little more systematic, okay? So we will start with A, B, and then online. A, B, online. Nobody in the middle. If you guys remember the rule, if it's passed between the two of y'all, the marks become half. Guys, online, are y'all ready?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So we start with team A. Just share. Choose the
Correct answer 500.
okay 500. Alright. Please press choose the correct answer 500. Okay. Which one is it? Tell me. Yeah, which one? Are you sure?
No.
Second? A has got 500. Okay, team B.
500 cylinder plan.
500 fill in the blanks. Okay? 500 fill in the blanks for group B.
First is small. About.
Perfect. Let's have a look. Guys, online, what do you select? Guys, online, anybody wants to take part in this?
Ma'am, 500. Find the mistakes. Find the mistake.
Find the mistake, 500. Okay. 500, find the mistake, guys. Tell me.
You have to spell it.
Just tell me the right answer.
Ma'am, it.
What is it?
Delicious is wrong. D spelling of delicious is wrong.
Just tell me what is the right sentence. I don't want the spelling. What is the word? Just speak it out.
Isn't the food delicious? Isn't the food delicious?
That's right.
Team B.
Hey. So you want to give your marks to okay.
Come on, team B.
Hey, oh, group A.
B.
E. Oh, good man.
That's my boy. My address send kar de.
Good.
Ma'am, one thing. You can divide the online points.
No.
Why
are He definitely favors y'all. Even the other day, he gets all his marks to you. When he divides 2 times, he gives us 3 times he did the day, we all agree. Okay. Team A, come on.
Take it out now. Here it is.
Yeah, I should send
500. Take it out. What?
What is that?
500 what?
Rearrange the sentence.
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
How much then?
Actually, I have, yeah, it's for the other thing, but I think it's needed even.
Yeah, how much please?
I'm going to keep a timer for you all. Great. Okay? Wow, no, this time is down. Your time is up, guys. Oh, okay. I'm keeping this for minutes. Everybody can see. I'm not cheating, so anybody can. Come sit here.
I'm up.
Are you
Already got a half an hour.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Tell me. Tell me. Guys, tell me.
I wanted to retire and roam around the world.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, someone's mic is not unmute, so your voice is not audible to us.
Okay, guys, all of you please mute yourselves and they can always mute others. But anyway, just mute yourselves, guys, and just unmute when you want to answer. Okay? So, yes, the answer was... Come to clarity.
250. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Layer.
So now it's you guys, right? What do you want to say? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, 400. Okay. Fill in the blanks, 400. Beginning. Very good.
Whoa, nice.
Okay, guys, online. What do you guys want to select?
Choose the correct answer. 400.
Can you speak in the
Ma'am, fill in the blanks 300.
Okay. Fill in the blanks 300.
Shankar and Ravi fought between themselves.
Perfect. Who do you want to give your marks to?
Team A.
B. Okay. Yeah, tell me. You pay. You pay, guys. Find a mistake. Find mistake 400 or 300. 400. Okay. Find the mistake 400.
Add 400 also.
Guys, one side should answer. Please study.
Did you study this syllabus already?
Perfect.
What was the question? But which one?
400.
Find the
Find the
mistake.
mistake.
Find the mistake.
Find the mistake. Study the syllabus.
Choose the correct answer. 400. Choose the correct answer. 100. Okay. So guys, online they have selected choose the correct answer for 400 points.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Add 400 also. Last time 400 is good. Which 400?
Okay guys, online.
Yeah. I'm talking to him.
Even between yourself. That's right. Did you really talk to him?
He asked me in Hindi. No, he was going in Hindi. I did not. I'm so proud of you.
Well, I know it. I don't know. Not even a month. Yes, only I did. Okay guys, online. What will you guys select?
Fill in the blank 200.
Pardon? Rearrange the sentence 400.
No, fill in the blank 200.
Fill in the blanks 200. Okay. 10.
Sharon asked a lace if she catch the movie. She had seen the movie.
That is HAS or HAD?
HAD.
HAD?
D. HAD.
Are you saying HAD?
Yes.
Okay. That's right. So who do you want to give your 200 marks to?
Group A.
B.
Okay, guys, select it. Tell me.
Team
B, ma'am.
Did you say B? Your voice is really low. A. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Answer. Tell me, guys. Nobody wants to speak it out. You always have to because you know that, right? You have already seen what it is? Rearrange 400. Okay. Sorry, rearrange the sentence 400. Correct.
They decided to join a new company for a better growth and incentive.
Perfect.
Thank you. All good? Just checking out if it's open that. Yes.
Alright. Tell me, Ruby.
300.
Find the mistake.
Find the mistake 300. Okay.
Size.
Perfect. Okay. Next. Guys, online.
Ma'am, find the mistake 200.
Okay.
The question is, Bhavika was planned to organizing a franchise
Fundraiser.
for the patients. So answer will be Bhavika was planning on
Right.
organizing a franchise for the patients.
Perfect. So 200 goes to team B.
Group A. Actually, you should do that.
See, at least I tried for you all. Then you all can try. Don't tell us. A is getting 200. Other people also on
Well,
that.
actually, it's up to her.
Ma'am, don't let her answer all the time because she's from the team.
Okay.
Hindi, ma'am. Right now, she's speaking.
I'm speaking with ma'am in English.
When I hear Hindi, it will be minus.
They don't speak in Hindi.
Just
Because
Come on,
speaking
you
in
pay.
Hindi, we get minus 100.
Yes.
Come on. You're a selection.
Find the mistake 100.
The mistake 100. Okay, sorry.
Timer.
Tell me.
Doctor Wookie. Giving a lecture.
That's right. They are done now.
I didn't say it out, sorry.
You
I didn't
don't
say it out. I was just
She's reading.
Huh?
Tell me. Go on.
given the doctor will be giving a lecture to the students tomorrow.
Perfect. That's 100 before we back.
300 to the correct.
300. Alright, 300, choose the correct answer. Climber.
Climber.
Perfect. Okay guys, online?
Choose the correct answer 200.
Which one? Choose the correct.
Correct answer 200.
We can't hear you, your voice is really, really soft. Can you speak up a little please?
No?
Choose the correct answer 200.
Choose the correct answer 200. No? Right?
How can I confirm?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Choose the correct. 200 is what you selected. What is the answer?
First option.
First option. Perfect. Who do you want to give your marks to?
B.
A.
B.
B. Okay. So you have one person playing for you all also.
Only one person.
Okay. Come, look it.
Very happy. Very happy.
300? 300. Okay. 300 real. The difficult, the longer sentence.
That is not answer.
I'm secretly like this.
Yeah. I did understand for them.
Okay, guys, ready?
Time up.
Time up.
Time up. Come on.
Time up, tell me. Chalo.
Slowly for 3 years.
Time up.
Time up.
Arjun, give me the answer. Come on.
अच्छा जल्दी Ram has been working more which
That's wrong, guys.
than a decade.
Tell me. Rahul has now been working for more than a decade. Are you guys online?
Ma'am, can I try? Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, please try. Please try.
Okay. Question is, sorry, answer is, Rahul has been working for more than a decade now.
That's correct.
That is not
That is correct. Tell me, who do you want to answer?
Ma'am, for this time it's for B.
B. Okay.
Thank you.
Have a chocolate, okay?
I will bring.
Okay. So, tell me, anybody?
Without answer. No, online.
They answered. So we'll go. You know,
Without
answer.
answer.
Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay, my bad. The earrings 200.
Take it.
200, right? Okay. Tell me.
We are waiting for more people to join us for the party.
Yeah. That's correct.
Cool.
Okay. Guys online.
Choose the correct answer, 300.
Choose the correct, there's only 100 left, right?
Yeah.
So 100?
Yeah. Choose the correct answer for 100. That one.
Tell me.
Question is, attention is the dash captain speaking now. So answer is first one.
Okay. We know that. Okay. So 100 goes to
A.
Two chocolates.
Shabash, Ilka.
Perfect.
Speak it out, come on, guys. That
400, speak it out. Please come.
who's that?
Who's the timer of 4 minutes?
$10 lakhs, no.
I said a camera.
How much is it?
It's a lot of money, guys. Just tell me what
That
is
is
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
money.
money.
Okay, you're starting the timer? Okay. Okay, you're starting it right here.
I think 2 to 1.
Okay, if I can get $1 million, so first of all, I can fulfill my dreams. If I wanted to buy one house, so not big one, but still I can buy a house within this dollars. Or else what I can do, I'll join clubs, okay, for sports, and plus I can travel. Like traveling is my hobby, so I can travel on various places if I get this $1 million. Okay, And I also love to I travel alone because what happens, I will save money and I will travel like many more places. Okay, if I travel alone.
It's -100.
Okay, if I travel alone, it will help me. Then what I'll do more, I love to trekking. So first of all, I get that trekking kit for myself, and I also love bike riding. So I'll buy one bike and hold the bike kit, the jacket, helmets, and everything. So like it will help to live a life as per my rules, and I will be satisfied because what I'm doing, I'm fulfilling my dreams, I'm fulfilling my hobbies. So it will help me to like fulfill my dreams. Plus, I can also give some of the amount to my parents, so they can also. So like they will be satisfied because I'm helping them also. So what I do, I'll give some of the money to them also. So if they have some plans to travel and anything, so they can also use that money for their purpose. Like I'm not just thinking about myself, I'm thinking about the others also. Yes, so I'll give the money to my parents, and also if like there are many people who wants to do something in their life, but they can't. Why? Because of money. Okay, so not much, but still I can give a little bit money to them also. So it will help them to fulfill their dreams also. Okay, if they have money, then what can we do? We try to fulfill their dreams only. Okay, so that the thing what I'm doing, I'm fulfilling my dreams. I try to fulfill other dreams. Okay. Okay. And so what I'll do more with the money? Okay, there are lots of things. I'll do shopping as well. Okay, I love to buy clothes for me, shoes. I love to buy watches and shoes. Okay, I'm addicted. I'm addicted for shoes and watches. Even I don't know to wear, but I just buy it and just put them in a showcase and just watch them. I love to watch them. Okay, I love to watch. I'll buy many watches and shoes and just watch them. And just 1 minute. Okay, and okay, then what I can do more? Yeah, as I said, I travel. I love this is my dream to travel internationally only because I'm just traveling here and there right now. Because like I don't have that money, huh? No, I don't buy IPL team because that's like this time like $1 million, so I can buy. But still, I love to watch cricket, so I go to the stadium and then I watch like each and every IPL match. Because right now what I'm doing, I'm just like front of TV and watching the IPL. But after I'll get the money, I'll go and I'll go to the stadium and then watch the IPL match and like live. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Very, very nice.
Welcome to the
You guys are -100, right? I'm just gonna make this 100.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what will you guys?
The year is 100. You're gonna get the 100 points back.
Tell me, what is the answer?
Radhika was extremely upset with the service provider.
You guys are not looking at the answers and then replying, right?
I'm good at that.
So now we need about 100. No. Okay, that is online.
Ma'am, fill in the blank for 100.
What is your tell me. Only Ulga is speaking. What is it? Tell me what is the answer.
I'm not there.
Okay, ma'am. She graduated dash June. So the answer will be she graduated in June.
Okay. And your marks go to?
8.
8.
Correct.
That is not fair.
She likes the
She
lighter.
gave you 300 earlier. She's giving them 100. Come on. Yes. She gave you like 300 points for you.
Only speak up.
Only
Speak about it.
Speak it out, 300. Speak it out, 300. Okay. Who's coming?
Ma'am, adjust camera.
Who's coming? So speak it out. 300.
Okay.
Okay, come.
Go. No, if you want to.
No,
you
you
want. If you want.
No, you can.
Okay.
So you're going to talk about the importance of education.
Acha, so, education is the starting of our life. We start our education very early. It's an education to walk also. We start our education by walking also. So, our parents give our education to walk. So that doesn't mean I'm not getting education from my start. We join a KG where we get education to play, where play groups, where we play, where we have fun playing, and then we grow, and then we have education for ABCD. What is the basic start of education, where we start talking English and everything. When we have to speak mom first, and then we speak dad. That means we are having education to speak first. So that starts, and then comes the education from the secondary class. And from first standard we start speaking out what we have been taught in class and tuition. So speaking about education. Education is where we start a career, from where till our 8th standard we have been passed, however we are. But after 10th we get a career issue, like what to choose and what not to do. Taking science and commerce and art. People have many discussions about what to take about in education. So when we choose science, we are like we have to do too much of study for physics, chemistry, and math. But it's not about just one. What is hard? Even commerce is hard. Even art is hard. Having studied in a science background, I have many things to study from science. I'm loving to do biology. I'm loving to do my IT field. I'm learning education. Like in IT background, there are many fields where we can go. Being an engineer, being a technician, being in many fields. And then we choose after 12th, we choose our main career like engineering, education, like being a flight attendant also in aviation. There are many fields for education. And then somehow we come around when after degree we end our degree, and then we start searching our jobs. The same whenever we get what we study, we have to do some other jobs which is not even there in your syllabus. And then the education extends, and we start studying something which is not in our part. So it will help more in graduating. We'll get more knowledge about what is there in future for us. And then we divide our education, like we'll do freelancing, we'll do this. And then education like, and then we have to know about education that we studied.
Okay. Alright.
So that was not related to the topic.
We spoke about what is the education rather than importance of education.
So the importance of how to survive, to like how we
See,
pass.
the point of this exercise is basically to stop, right? There, how many fillers he's using? Quite a lot, but okay. He's at least trying, right?
Good. Very good.
Okay, good.
That was good.
Now, who's coming?
500.
500. Speak up. This is the case for 500.
5 minutes.
I can talk about this for 4 hours also if you can. No, it's because I love this job. So I know everything about the airline that I love. Which is the airline that you dream to go? Now I am speaking about it. Okay, I have some. Okay, go for it.
Start.
So Air India is my favorite airline. It is a government-owned airline. Air India was founded in 1932, July, in the month of July. So Air India's founder is JRD. Air India chairman is Rajiv Bansal. Air India was founded in 1932.
Yes, yes.
You know, you can just talk about the aircraft that they have, or their service, the crew, the uniform, stuff like that.
Wow.
After World War II in 1960, Air India became the corporate limited company. The single engine aircraft is also flown by the owner, J.R.D. Tata himself. And talking about the uniform, girls wear saris sometimes, and also in some of the aircraft they wear skirts, dress code, and it provides the maximum amount of luggage that you can carry. 25 kg is the maximum limit, and 7 to 8 kg is the cabin luggage limit.
What was the other airline? Which airline have you traveled with?
Till now, India.
You talk about your experience in both of them. How was the crew here? How was the crew there? Compare your own experience in the aircraft.
Yeah. Sometimes Air India aircrafts are very congested. Okay, it is a small aircraft flying. If you are flying nationally, domestically, Air India flies to 102 destinations across the domestic and international. And Air India's logo contains a red color swan and a monarch wheel in it.
What was your experience as a passenger? That's also okay. When you were sitting, what happened? What you saw? What was the service? Did they talk nicely the crew?
No.
Yeah, even
So while I was flying with Air India, the experience was really good. But while flying with Indigo, when we were calling the crew members, they were not really listening to us. They were in their own zone sometimes, and they were also not helping us with the luggage. So it was a bad experience in Indigo. And Air India is, compared to Indigo, Air India was way better.
Yeah. How was the meal in Air India?
Air India's meal was good. In Indigo, we didn't get any meal.
Did you buy anything?
No.
Please, tell us.
It's what?
So they were both narrow.
Yeah.
I would say, right?
But during the pandemic, I traveled to my native place, to Indigo. They had precautions, like they took safety measures.
Very good.
And the middle person was wearing the PPE kit, and other two people were not wearing the PPE kit. But everybody was wearing the mask and the shield. They had the sanitizer given by the airline, and the everything, water and everything was provided inside the aircraft for free of cost.
Food quality, what about food?
Food, I don't have food, independent.
Stop.
So,
Okay, fair enough. Very good. Very good. Go ahead.
Yes, it is 500. Emergency door.
Guys, online, anybody wants to try?
Can I?
Yes, please.
Okay, ma'am. So I'll go for speak about cabin crew 200.
200. Okay, guys, time
Give
up.
them points.
Time up.
Time up.
No, why? Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, I'm just putting the timer so you know. Okay, start. It's started, huh?
Okay, so cabin crew, to be a cabin crew, there should be a specific personality, or the communication skills should be proper. cabin crew plays a vital role in the industry of the aviation. Because it is the most fastest mode also, whether it is very expensive, but it's good also for us. To become a cabin crew, we need good quality of communication, personality, and like how I like to talk. So to become a cabin crew, our briefing also should be proper. Cabin crew gives information how to sit or how to put our belts also. And then there are many things what cabin crew do. Cabin crew also greet the passengers and they direct them how to do everything. Then they provide good quality of food, whatever they have. Then making announcement, which is important part of the cabin crew. Doing the food services, beverages is given to them. Cabin crew also helps us in first aid wherever it is necessary, making sure that our passengers are in good health or not. They also help the people or the person when they are not well. So cabin crew is also important to be a little defensive because there are many terrorist attacks also. Some of the time it gets high-tech and when it comes to the part of security, there are also some of the defensive cabin crew members in the airlines.
Okay, your 2 minutes are done. You did a very, very good job. Okay, who do you want to give your marks to? But you spoke really well, I must say. That was, I think, one of the best tries in this category. Very, very well spoken. Now we should get out. What? Sorry. 100. Okay, 100 was good.
We obviously, but they already got that point. Now we should get it. Now we should get it.
There are lots of games to come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That is not.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me. Lokesh and Lena are waiting to come in, ma'am.
Someone wants to comment.
Lokesh and Lena. 2 members are waiting to come in, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Someone wants to come. Join.
Admit, huh?
Okay, thank you so much. We will come.
Thank you.
2 minutes.
1 minute.
Speak about India for 2 minutes. So she has to speak about India for 1 minute. Time up, please.
Okay, it's actually my first time in India, so I'm going to talk about my experience and everything. First of all, I'm having language program here in India. I actually came from Nigeria, and I went first to the interview. That was my first one. Then I went to Parikama in Bengavan. Then I went to Mayapur. I then realized it's a total different language than in West Bengal. So I was thinking of how to manage. Well, my experience in India has been a very wonderful experience because it's also actually my first travel out of Nigeria. So I'm so happy I'm able to come to India as my first trip, and I hope I can stay here more and also learn the language. But I just pray I'm able to get something without my coming to India. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, I need to much stay there. I'm talking already.
Oh my god, okay.
3,200 dirhams.
300. No, 300 now.
3,000.
So this is not 3,000?
3,000.
300.
Sorry, yeah, 3,000.
No, not tough.
200 at the last one.
Okay, and this is 3,850. Yeah.
4,250.
850.
Yesterday's 400. If you are
Huh, you're counting
Yesterday's 400 added.
No, I'm good.
Ma'am, 400 was added. Ma'am, you added, I
They
saw.
asked me to, but I did not add the 400. I did not. You guys won yesterday at the debate? So 400. So it's
4,250.
yeah.
4,250.
4,250.
Yeah.
Are
So
you
the other
sure?
3,000. Yeah, because they get 500.
3,850. Yeah, it's 3,850 plus 4,000.
Ah, we have
4,250. Pakka.
No,
Yes.
we have seen.
I can see it on your face.
But we have a calculator right here.
It is now. But at least you guys are talking, so I'm very happy. I hope somebody apart from Mantra talks also online.
Ma'am, it's Ulka.
I'm sorry. I have a big. That's why. Okay, I'm very sorry about that. Okay, so this was grammar. Now I have a task which will be different for guys on here, and online it will be different. Okay, this is for you guys. It's a game that you're going to like move around a little bit, talk to each other.
Okay.
So please be ready to not be seated for the next 10 minutes. Okay, I'll just tell them what the game is, and then I will get back to you. You guys have another task altogether. Okay. So
I'm saying collective.
I am. It wasn't fine.
3.
Okay, then go for a break and come back and then we play.
Hi.
Okay. So I have like 4 pouches over here.
Okay.
Yeah, jigsaw. No. I'm going to divide you guys in 4 groups. These are 4 different puzzles. I'll show you what the puzzles are. Okay? But the pieces are mixed.
Okay.
Oh. Now, whoever makes the puzzle first wins. And it's 1,000 points.
Okay.
We'll go play that. Listen to me, sir. Listen to me. It's 1,000 coins. Because this game will check your leadership skills, your team spirit, okay, as well as your negotiation skills. Why will the other team give you your puzzle piece? You have to make them. Whether you do barter system, so beg, borrow, steal, no stealing. Borrow, beg, borrow, no steal, beg, borrow. I give threats. I don't know, whatever your skills are. If you're good at threatening, threaten. If you're good at...
I'm good at snatching.
No snatching, no stealing, couple be cabin, not gunda. So you guys will have to do it. Clear?
Yes.
You guys can make a break. And guys online, you guys go. I will be talking to the guys online for another 2 minutes. And I'm then with them a break. Yes.
So what are the teams?
I will tell. Okay, guys online, before you guys go for the break, I'm giving you 3 topics. I want you to prepare. I want at least 2 to 3 people from here to talk, okay? If all of you are online want to talk, please, I would be more than happy, okay? The topics are, sorry about that. The first topic would be, I want to know what, according to you, is wrong with the aviation industry today, and what do you think can help to make it better? This is one. Second, I want to know your take about importance of communication between cabin crew and ground staff. Third, I want to know how important it is to have a very good and strong ground staff body. These are the 3 topics, so you can choose any one. Okay, I will tell you the topics again. First, do you want to know? Topic number.
What is the last topic?
Pardon?
Can you repeat the last topic?
Yeah, so I will repeat all the 3 topics. The first topic will be about what do you think is wrong with aviation industry right now with COVID, and what do you think that airlines can do to make it better? Topic 1. Topic 2, I want to know according to you the importance of communication, good communication between ground staff and cabin crew, okay, for a flight to be good. Third, I want to know why ground staff, okay, ground staff is important for an airline, and please keep going. Okay, and the importance of having a very good and efficient ground staff team. These are the 3 topics. Alright, so please think about it. You have a break for 10 minutes. Please think and let me know. The more you talk, the better it will be. Alright, thank you guys, and please take a break now. Alright. All group of people go there. All the people. Where I'm going to distribute group A are only people.
1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7.
Group A are group B.
6. No, 30.
So make groups of 3. Your choice. I'm only going how many of yours? 5, please.
5. The same number, right?
So it's 6, 6.
Yeah.
6, 6. So make a group of 6. Because I need 4 groups. So each group should have 3 people. 3.
Yes, 7.
Okay, so 3 and 4. You 3? Okay, so go exam 6. And I'm giving you the menu of I want the next over there. In one group. I was there. And don't hear, right? Nobody says that nothing can stand because you have to talk to each other. And I don't want any screaming. No talking loudly. You will go to that group, talk to them and come back. Get it? No hitting. No scratching. No stealing. No pushing, no pulling. Stealing, we are not kids. Okay, so if any of the they are last, they will get you. So what we have to do now? Okay?
If we are winning, any group is winning, then beat in their house. Is there any time limit?
Yes. The time guys, don't start now because all 4 is next. Okay. So now, don't scare it. It's not fair, no? Because
Yes. It would be easy. A, B, A, B.
What I wonder that.
No, I don't know. By the time you have to do a teamwork, so already some of the 80 teamwork done. I wanted to make a banner up. So how we get it from what we are thinking? Okay, so what are the things? One okay, guys, so everyone
you're an A. You sit there.
He's on fire.
So it's 4, 3, 4, 3. That
Who's 4?
4.
Okay,
guys. 10 minutes time has started.
Let's go.
Figure out what you are doing and then what you are doing. So,
what is GP?
Yes. First, try to figure out what your
Don't steal this last man.
You're just giving it. They are winning 1,000 points, guys. I was just going to give them pieces.
No, we are. Stop.
Please think. You're helping the person who's going to points away from yours. Act like to be your airline show, okay? Not like online, everybody ready? Any topic, any topic. Give a shout out the moment you're done.
I don't have anything like this.
You guys,
I will give them. You have what I don't have anything. You have I give one. I know. And we need only anyone has 80.
Don't tell me. Don't figure it out.
ये फ्लिप कैसे करता है
ऐसा कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं।
जीत गए भाई तुम लोग क्या लड़ रहे हो बस जीत गए ऑलरेडी जीत गए साजिद still are pieces yes man who won from
Come. I was ready to the guys online must be thinking where I will load that. What was the rule? Are we talking or not today?
everything is fair in the world
Are we supposed to talk in Hindi?
no
You guys want me to count how many marks you have lost for all the Hindi that was spoken? Hey, mere ko people are fighting, flips were up. Please give it back to the very
which clip
in cabin crew training, they tell us we'll have unruly passengers, how to deal with it. With you guys, we'll have to start a new thing. With unruly cabin crew or ticketing stuff, what are you going to do? Imagine doing this with ATC. I told you this task was teamwork. It was about how can we complete? You complete it. My piece to me and take yours, so you like delay and you took it back.
that is not fair so
I need to go forward. You stole forward.
that is what I use my brain I took your piece and then I was giving it to you so you gave me mine that was fair enough he was stealing our it's like a SD card
Ma'am, but many people from team B were talking in Hindi.
Anybody online has anything to say about them?
what do you think
Did anybody see Teamwork?
yes
We were trying to even if you 1,000, how much have you lost with all the Hindi?
that wasn't
word only English. Apart from talking,
I wasn't even talking to anyone.
I was telling you, let me tell you that. No. I said the ground rules, right? I'm just trying to think what the guys online are thinking about you. I am judging you all. Oh my goodness. We've done the same exercise in Jeff. You know this, we look like this. And they're bigger groups. Bigger cousins. No, not interviews. We used to have something called as PRS every single year. We used to, it's a basic management between school distance management. We used to do the exercises on a daily basis. Nobody behave like this.
So you got practice everyone for the first time.
For the first time, nobody behaved like this. And I'm screaming my lungs out. I'm telling you, lower your volume.
That was
Yeah, that was fun.
But we were not having
But you're failed.
we were not having proper space. No matter we
I still talking in Hindi. Very good. So it's 1,000 minus 4,000 for all. Get it? Because of all the Hindi that you all have.
Yeah,
We don't even have 4,000
minus 5,000.
What? Don't even have 4,000 for minus. Guys, online, anybody ready with the topics that I gave you? Just put it back in that. Just back. Thank you. Anybody ready online? Before the lecture is over, at least 2 of you all should talk. Again, guys. Yes. There is a normal people.
Never mind. So what? That's a really good shot.
You're for jumping from one
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I try?
Yes, please.
The topics, the 3 topics which you gave from that one I have selected. So why the communication is required between cabin crew and ground staff?
Okay, very good. I love that. Tell me. So the topic is the important communication between ground staff and cabin crew for a good flight. Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. So as we all know that communication is important between 2 people. So like how in aviation also communication is very important. Effective communication should be there. It is very important for the safe flights, for the safe journey. If there is miscommunication between ground staff and cabin crew, there might be chances of accidents, or miscommunication can lead to many of the problems. If there is any emergency in the ground, on the ground, with the help of that cabin crew in the plane can get information that there is problem or something which is going to happen. Cabin crew also alerts what is happening, or what is the passenger behaving in the flight. Like how if a passenger is not feeling well in the flight, so a cabin crew member can inform this to the ground staff for the emergencies also.
Right.
And it is very important to get communicated during the flight, or when we are not in the flight, because sometimes like how plane crashes or something else, the emergency is there, so ground staff can get information where the plane has crashed or where the plane had met with an accident.
Very good.
And
Very good.
with the good communication, accidents will be reduced, or else where the emergency landing to do. This also we get information about that, and
that's good. Ulka, right? This is Ulka, no?
yeah.
Yeah, very good, very good. I really think you have impressed me today, both the times. Very well spoken. Anybody else now? And please guys, first comment for all the points you given your time. And anybody else online wants to talk about any other topic? Yes, please, very good. Thank you. What is your topic?
Hello.
Yes, your topic. What topic have you chosen?
Why ground staff is important for aviation?
Very good. Tell me.
There is no airport without the ground staff, ma'am. In air carrier, without ground staff, there is no aviation industry, and they can be replaced by computers or machines. But sometimes it can be also make mistakes like humans. There are different duties for ground staffs.
Yes.
They are responsible for ground staff, but the main thing is safety of all passengers.
Perfect.
Safety of all passengers is first most priority in aviation industry.
Right.
Due to the mistakes, most of the accidents of airlines caused by mistakes of cabin crew and the ground staff. 65% of accidents.
Even cockpit crew, yes. Majority, very, very good point. Majority of the accidents and incidents happen because of human factor.
Yes.
Yes. What you say is right. Tell me, go ahead.
Actually, ground staff jobs are generally challenging, but they are also well paying to the ground staff worker.
Yes.
They need to be think more money.
But I didn't get the last part.
Doing the ground duties, they should think more at critical situations. When while flight is landing, if front tire or back tire something is happened, emergency landings,
Right.
they should take care.
Definitely. True. Good. Thank you. He's very right. Ground staff is really important. Okay? Everybody focuses too much on cabin crew. But the fact is, cabin crew can't function if the ground staff is not good. They are our backbone. It is a fact. Okay? That's very good. Anybody else online wants to talk about any topic? You can go to the next game. Okay? Even if somebody wants to talk later, you can just tell us and we will stop what we're doing. I'm just not remember the game we played. I had made those cards of 7. The first time I saw when we met. Remember that? Okay, I did not have the actual game, but I have it now. Okay, now we have a lot of people, same group, but we will be keeping the online group separate this time. Okay?
Sure.
Alright. So it's very simple. I have the cards. Alright. You guys know the game? Anybody? Okay. Same guys online. I have cards over here and I have a timer. Here we will do it exactly by the timer. Okay? I will have to ask any one person to come over here from the group. Okay? You will pick a card. There are different colors. You will check the red one first. In case you don't know what that word means, then you go to the other. Okay? There are 2 words on every card. Alright? Now, I will give you an example. Here, the word is fireplace, which is in color. I have to explain this word to y'all without using the words which are in white. And you guys have to guess the word. Whatever is in color, that is your main word. Okay? You have to explain this word in English only. No hand gestures. No acting. This is not done for us. But you cannot use the words which are written in white. These are going to be the obvious words that we would use to explain this word. So you have to think. Okay? And every time your team gets it, it's 100%. Alright? And you will get 1 chance. Got it? Everything good? And you will go really fast. What happens for the online is I will ask who wants to take part. I will show you the card and you will explain it to the whole class. Whoever gets it, gets the point.
Okay.
This is good. It's clear and fair. I'm not cheating, right? Okay. So who wants to come first? Let's go. How about the guys who've done this before?
No one has done.
No, we've played this before. Yeah. You did take part, right, in this? Or it was Veena? I'm not sure. Veena, yeah. You played, no? Come.
Let's go.
Ready first? If you understand, if not, then understand. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start.
When we go to office or anywhere, at evening we go for with our friends.
Walk, garden.
No, but you don't have to tell me.
We have to guess it.
Yes.
Okay, continue. Come on.
We go for walk to have something.
Street food.
Restaurant. Okay. No.
Canteen. Hang on. Come on.
Come again. To eat or hang out. We go for until we go to office. At evening we go for with our colleagues. Tea time.
Beaches.
Tea time. Tea time.
Tea breaks. What we had there. Snacks. Snack time. Coffee.
No, word ka coffee.
Yeah. So, these are the words you can't use to explain this word, right? Okay. So remember how we played, no? The word was teapot. Yeah. Right. Okay, you have to guess teapot. And the words that she couldn't use are boil, water, coffee, kettle, and whistle. Without using these words, she had to explain this. What
We have to answer.
They have to figure out this.
Okay, so this is triangle.
Okay, fine. We did this as we tried. Yeah, not coffee or getting the time. Okay, come. Who's coming in?
Now a game actually.
Okay, understood, right?
Yes.
Guys? Okay. They are not
So we can this point or no?
Ma'am, everyone can answer, right?
No.
No, you're.
Everyone cannot answer, right?
No, but yes, if
So we got this
people
point or
if they are passing, no, because anyways the answer was wrong and the concept was not.
So that was a trial.
Yes. You know, right? Good.
That's the time.
Okay?
Animal which lives in water.
Fish.
Wait. Big animal.
Wait.
Huh? Just more suggestions.
Explain it a little bit.
Afraid ink. Octopus.
Oh, that's right.
That's how you do it. So you guys understood, right now? And you have so much time left. So I guess both the teams also did well, right? So you guys get 100. Who's coming from now? Coming? Yeah. Behind. Either red or purple. If you know what that means.
Everyone has me.
Heta. Okay, start.
Okay. So we use it in night while relaxing.
Peter.
Wait.
Obviously.
Online.
Night, I heard night.
Now, anybody online wants to try?
Yeah.
I'm mad, right?
Okay,
I want to try.
I'm going to show you the card. This is your word. Can you see the
And
card?
whoever gets it.
No, ma'am.
Do you want to see it?
No.
Do you know this? fire this. Do you understand this chart? They won't.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I can.
Are you
And
understanding?
which words we should not use?
Okay. So this is the word that they have to guess. These are the words you cannot use.
Okay.
You can't use these words to explain this. You have to find a creative way to do it.
Okay.
Okay? Alright.
That's fine.
You sure? Okay, explain it to them. I'll keep this here. You guys are not there. Okay, you can start. I'm just keeping this here so that you can keep an eye.
We use this mode often while capturing a picture at phone at our mobile.
You use this word when you're taking pictures.
Mode.
Selfie. Smile.
No.
But they are not
Funny.
It's a mode. It's a mode while capturing
It's
a.
a mode. He's saying it's a mode. Portrait.
Yes, correct.
That's right.
We got one.
Okay, who's coming next?
नहीं ऑनलाइन की बात
I know. Pillow was our answer.
Come.
Again?
No, not again.
I did pillow.
Ma'am?
I'll go again. Fair enough. Team Red up open.
Even if you do this, I'll be happy.
No, we have not started the time.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, just ask Harshal to move his camera now because both are not.
Okay, sir. It's time. Yeah, time.
तेरे
Okay. We use this when we are like shopping.
ATM card, smart card.
No, we put like we put the things on it.
And bag, shopping bag,
Right?
trolley.
Right.
What happened?
See, I can't force somebody so much, right? They should also want to learn. When he wants to learn, he'll tell me, right? Oh, it's so easy.
I'm started.
Types of books in school.
What? Textbook?
Textbook, that is. But is it textbook? So this is. Just text. It has to be the exact word, okay? Unless I tell you that.
So she could have said no, only the first word.
Sorry to interrupt. Before the lecture ends, I just want to announce tomorrow there's no lecture. Ma'am is not available. Okay. So tomorrow there's no lecture, okay? For the online people. For everyone, but online people, please listen, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Salman Khan's soft drink brand.
Pepsi.
Break the word.
Thumbs up.
Thumb side it, please.
Thumb.
Yes.
Salman Khan.
क्या बोला था? Salman Khan is thumbs
No.
up. Yeah. Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan.
South Indian hero.
No.
Akshay Kumar was in thumbs up.
Akshay Kumar is also. But Salman and Akshay did a act together. They were jumping on a car or something like that, right?
Salman.
Acha, now is Louis one. Okay, next please. Now it's for online. You keep your eyes closed, please. Okay, guys online. Who's going to try? This is the word. It's easy.
Which one?
Okay. Who's trying?
It's me. I will try it.
Okay, fine. Okay, this is the word. Okay, I'm holding it. You can start.
Can you please show again?
Yeah, I'm keep.
Can I do it?
See, you can hold. I'm holding it, but it's okay. I got it.
But you have put the wrong one.
Yeah, I just given it.
It's a place where someone go at night times.
Where you go night time?
Club.
Dream.
Club.
Beach.
Yes, somebody's a club.
Yes.
And
Club.
yes, they will serve some. They will serve us.
Alcohol.
Yes, what we call them as? We call them as
Bartender.
who's?
Perfect.
Yes, correct.
Correct. This time is not bad. Who's coming?
We are not the.
That is common sense. Come on.
Good. I'm glad you're done.
Then something that is when we come from out. When you walk on road.
We can't.
Walking there. When we walk on road, what we do? Sweat. Relax. Sweat. Salt. What? Dust. Tire.
Someone said it.
What? Grass.
That.
Yes.
Who's coming? Shall I? Please? You've done this, no?
It's a trial.
I thought you also tried. Next. वाह come on इसका तो कल ही लेक्चर मिला girls apply eyeliner makeup
Lipstick. You made it easy actually.
I used to I don't help you.
That was the only first time you actually
Online now, right? Yeah. Guys, online? Yeah. Anybody ready? That's your word.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show? Hindi. Can you show it properly, ma'am?
One second, it's just going blurry. I don't know. Yeah, there.
If we not feel well, we will go to doctor. We will consult.
Yeah, they got it.
Doctor. Who got it? Me. I got it.
Nine.
Yeah.
No one.
His last words was Selsha got it, so it was English. No,
It's fine. Next time. Better than next time.
Okay, come. Who's coming next?
Team A, na? Okay.
Next is it.
When we go for a party in people.
Champagne. Oh, nice. I like it. Hey. What is this?
No,
Ma'am did heard it. Ma'am did heard it. Like this.
Whatever you want. Nowadays it's going in train and road and all.
Corona.
Rush, virus. Not run your bags and all. Sorry?
Sanitizer.
No.
Infection.
No, it's from your back. I something else.
See, keep talking. When we drag from in the movie, in Akshay Kumar's movie, in the bus, that happened.
Bomb blast.
I didn't say for that.
Terrorist.
Robbery. Robbery.
That is online transport in English.
Robbery. Theft. What do you say?
Cheap.
Snatching.
Terrorism. Jewelry.
What's the word?
Pickpocket.
Oh, that is not properly.
Pickpocket. Take from your pocket.
But no, we couldn't try.
Okay, guys, want to try one?
Yeah.
Anybody else?
Yes.
Come from the group. And I will like.
See, and we are not crying like this.
Okay. Okay. So.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So if you want to convince someone in Hindi, the line is.
Say it and it's minus.
Yeah, I'm not saying that. So can I use the translation word?
Say Hindi or English?
Okay. So if you want to convince someone, what we will do it.
What?
We put
Butter.
Buttering.
What?
Buttering.
Yeah,
Butter.
Butter.
Butter. Already said butter.
Nice one. Must lagha tha.
Online point. Online point.
Online point.
But it was our only chance.
Okay.
Go to second.
Nice. This is my favorite word. Okay. Guys, online.
Ma'am, I'll try.
Go ahead.
What?
Usually we go for the parlor. Girls go for that. Mainly they girls go for that.
Eyebrow wax.
Relaxation of the body.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
This because relaxation.
Yes, ma'am. She used that word.
There, sir.
So again, one more point.
Now come from A.
A.
Start.
It just started. You can change what? Maybe it's wrong, say something. What?
Change the word, try another one.
Yeah.
Change
I can't now.
When you're,
Yes.
like this, what did you do?
The animal which we name in our house. Moti.
No.
Cow.
No.
On
Okay. No. Game of
Name of the
Tiger.
No.
in the house you have a tiger.
Wow.
Tiger. Name of the animal.
Diamond.
Name of Tommy. Bulldog. Parrot. Diamond. What is the word?
Puppy.
Change another. Kiss someone another.
Another time.
So that's exactly right. You just said na कि किसको क्या बोलते हैं.
Madam,
Minus from
Ma'am, you can try.
Why?
Because they got a chance to try, ma'am.
Okay, don't try me.
Yeah, okay, yeah, this-
Say?
we eat this when we go to parties. We can't say eat.
Why? Go. Arey, play.
Minus 100. No minus, right?
Arey, I cannot say.
What was the answer, man? Catalog. Answer क्या था? Page.
Please start. Might have.
This week.
If something is not so, what is it?
Sort.
If something is not so,
If it's not tough,
So-
what is it?
Oh, that's easy. No, madam.
something like that. I don't know what.
Soft. It's pudding.
I'll start.
Punchy. Punch. Bounce. Squeezy.
Okay, let's see. Like you're giving an assignment to do. If it's not so, it's what?
Easy. Easy. No.
No.
That's what. Medium.
Go. Something very similar to that. It's easy. Another word for
Easy.
That is easy. Some other word for that.
Normal.
Like,
Something another else. Something.
so allows you extra time to pass. Get this right. Your phone is all not doing it. Think. I'll give you all the points if I get it. Okay.
Something else. Come on. Just something.
Easily.
No.
Something similar to easy. Another word.
Hard point.
Another word for easy. Guys, online another word for easy.
Explain something else. Start with something else.
Simple.
Thank you. That was yoga, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
wait,
just
right?
the time. Yeah.
Oh, time was over.
You guys have some points, right? See, don't be mean.
Second or
Okay,
second that
No,
time.
this time.
Oh, yeah.
okay.
Very good.
Take this one. Guys, online, okay?
I'm not interested. Excuses.
Hey, don't.
Small children use.
Okay.
Children, you can't use. Children, you can't use.
Sorry.
No problem. One second.
What
We
was the
will
answer?
give. We will try one more word with you guys, okay? Online.
Yes, ma'am.
Please be thoda careful.
At club we used to drink.
Alcohol.
No.
Coffee drink.
Wine?
Beer.
Yes.
Yes. Correct.
Wine.
Nice.
Wow.
But what he said?
And type of drink. Type of an animal. Okay, come next. We don't have a lot of time, so
That's
go with this. So guys, what is our most favorite thing?
It's different story.
My favorite, I'm sure. Probably eat. Cakes.
Vada pav.
Chinese.
Chocolate.
Oh my god, you guys. You really buck up.
Domino's salad.
Salad. Salad किसका favorite हो सकता है? Hey, hello.
What is? You already told it out of friendship.
That one they have already.
Not Hindi. In Kari, come on. It was a dialogue. It was a dialogue.
Maggi.
So rude now.
A Maggi has a masala.
Spicy.
Maggi.
Curly.
Maggi shape is
Curly.
Is it curly? But it's cube.
Curl.
Yeah.
Kal. He said it. The word.
I'll give it.
No, so
You can say curl.
the example of fast na.
Curl. Since I told him, break the word. Ankit.
Sweet stuff. She got it wrong. Anything.
We can give like say anything so just stop. They will get it. They will find out what it is. But at least start. No, that is so much. This they have to get. Say anything. Tell us spellings we will get. What is after C? But I won't. Okay, so listen for everybody, whoever answers. Okay. We can give to someone. Give.
Surprise.
No, surprise.
Surprise.
कौन बोला? How did you guess that? How did you guess that?
Just that. Just cut to 50 na.
Now we go for online, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
What?
Last online career.
Hindi.
Oh, you can see क्या? Price online.
Aman?
It present at wall.
Clock. Yes.
Clock.
That was so fast.
Who did it? Rohan. Man,
Ma'am, Supriya.
Supriya. Rohan first. No.
Rohan first.
Ma'am, Rohan first. No.
She said it first.
No.
You heard it first.
Wow.
Sound
Then she was more clear and loud.
Who's
You
clock?
should be more loud and clear.
Do you want it?
This is done. Who is going to help me tag it? Yes.
We are obviously.
This is hand. So obviously these guys win, right?
5,000.
But you have minus 4,000 from here.
No. It was already minus.
Because no, Hindi or there we have to minus. Yeah, over there also.
Then 1,150. Just
Okay,
a
I am not going to forgive your Hindi nonsense that happened. But next time to say something.
So it's 5,150 here and
So these guys are won, right? Ready?
3,900 here, 5,150
Okay,
here.
so I have something for the guys who won. Please share it amongst you all. All the winners. And guys online, if you all come, please take some chocolates from them, okay? Because you all also did a wonderful job. Okay?
Let's go to the final.
Let's take a picture with that. Yes. Okay, next time when we have a round of different games, whoever, I'm going to choose one person who's done a wonderful job and I take that person out for lunch or dinner. My favorite thing. So whatever, next time whenever we have games and everything, I will choose one person who has exceeded my expectations and that person is becoming out of me.
Online you can start now.
Yes, we have.
And guys, whoever wins, if you all have Swiggy or Zomato in your area, you all can send me. So even they can get something. That's not a problem.
And man will
But
do
somebody has to wow me today, right? I'm super impressed with it. Thank God it was not today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really. I'm so happy that you spoke so much. And so well done. So guys, next time please. Whenever we have this thing, we don't know what I have to take a picture. I just want to be wowed. She doesn't know her expectations, but I'm saying I'm floored by all that. He did a wonderful job. So guys, online,
So ma'am, what are you expecting
I'm just
next
going to
time?
make sure that it's time. You all can log out. I shall see you soon.
Bye
Okay?
bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
What are you expecting? So we can fulfill that.
I want more participation. No Hindi, definitely. And just be on your best behavior and
We are so
participate.
nice. We are so
Yes,
nice. See, we are so nice. We are discussing in the team. See, expectations
Actually,
fulfilled.
I was
Expectations fulfilled. Point one. Check
They
one.
were all again.
Yeah. Expectations fulfilled.
The day I graduate,
You already have to. You already have to.
we are not all Okay, but please start. Hey, selfie, please come. Attendance, attendance. किसी की माँ?
Already out.
दीदो पहले मैंने
हाँ, बिल्कुल होगा. मुझे तो बिल्कुल
ठीक है.
Jainam, at least off your camera na.